Some of you are confused how we put texture back on the repair. So here's a video for you guys. I'm using FX9 from Viper Products. Low heat here. The first one is no texture. So it's still wet. I use a heating device. This one's, I use a blowtorch. But usually you use a heat gun to activate it. So now it's pretty much cured right here. And dry. No texture. No grain. The next one's going to be a textured example. Same thing, FX9, low heat. Still wet, no texture. So that's a grain pad that puts the grain and texture back in there. Heat it back up. I heat it till it smokes up. Usually I use a heat gun. So apply the texture on there. And that's how you get texture.